So how do you turn on the screenshots on the iPad inside of the settings? Let me explain it. And if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. So the settings for it don't really have the ability to change or enable the screenshots. I mean, the point is that screenshots always work on the iPad. All you have to do is to press the physical buttons like the volume up as well as the power button, and you can capture the screenshot. If you go to the settings and still trying to look up the screenshot in here, you can see there's one thing that is a setting for it, and it's called full screen previews, and you can enable it and the difference is that if you now take a screenshot, it's going to go to this edit mode right away, whereas before you could capture a screenshot and it would show it in at the bottom left, and then you would be able to click and go to the edit mode, but not really outside of that. So that's the thing you can find inside of the settings for it. But you can also find more things if you go to the accessibility, click on touch, and then click on assistive touch. You can enable it, right? And you're going to get like a floating dot, a floating button on the screen. And you can choose it to do multiple different things. So the single tap, I can select to be the screenshot in here. And then now it just means that I have a floating button all the time on my screen. And when I tap it, it captures the screenshot of whatever I'm currently doing, right? So I might be, I don't know, inside of the photos, I tap the button, I get the screenshot. So if you mean this, like enabling some additional features for it inside of the settings, then this is probably the best way to do it. So let me know in the comments below if that is the thing you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips in the future, and I'll see you later.